Hi guys! Today I introduce the fruit-free Japanese egg sandwiches, Tamago sand. Some might think it's simple, but Japanese egg sandwiches are incredible fruit-free. And I believe everyone will be pleasantly surprised when they take a bit. The ingredients are simple and it's a very easy dish to make, taking about 15 minutes or so. You can easily find them at convenience store like 7-Eleven in Japan. But since you can easily make them at home, so let's make them together!
Introduce ingredients. First, let's get some soft bread. It works best for this sandwich. Then, you need eggs, butter, Japanese style mustard, salt, sugar, and of course mayonnaise. You can skip the pepper if you like it. Now, let's get started! First, prepare some hot water. Next, melt the butter. You need it later. It's handy to keep it near the boiling water, but be careful it doesn't melt the container. Once the water is boiling, gently place the eggs in with the ladle. Then wait about 10 minutes. While you are waiting, let's prepare the bread. Trim off the crust to make the bread fruit-free. Be careful not to squash it while cutting off the edges. Cutting the bread into the pair ensure your sandwich look neat. Don't throw away the trimmed crusts. They can be used for the other dishes. After boiling, quickly cool the boiled eggs in ice water. This makes peeling the shell easier. So keep some ice water ready. After boiling for 10 minutes, place the eggs in ice water. Once the eggs have cooled down, peel them inside the bowl. Once you've peeled the shells, it's time to slice the eggs. Cut them in half lengthwise, separating the yolk and the white. You finely chop the yolk and coarsely chop the white. If they are properly cooked, you should be able to easily separate the yolk and white like this. You've successfully separated them. Let's start by cutting the eggs whites. They should be about 1 cm square for a nice texture. Cutting the eggs into quarters vertically and sixes horizontally should give you the right size. Next, prepare the yolks. Try to make them as finely as possible. The finer you make them, the smoother the texture will be. Keep the mashing and mixing them until they become fluffy and powdery. Once they are about this fluffy and powdery, it's perfect! Then add a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Give it a gentle stir. Once it's reached the consistency like this, add the previously cut the eggs whites and mix them in. Be careful not to break up the eggs white as you mix. Once everything is evenly mixed, your filling is ready. Next, mix the Japanese mustard with the melted butter. Spread this mustard butter mixture on the surface of the bread. It's a good idea to separate it on the both sides for the consistent flavor. Then place the egg filling generously on the bread. Be sure to use plenty of filling. Gently spread it out without using too much force. Carefully place the other slice of bread on top, making sure not to press too hard to avoid squashing the sandwich. Repeat the process for the other sandwich. Finally, cut them into the triangles for easily eating. When cutting, be gentle and avoid applying too much pressure, preserving the fruit-free texture. Take a look at these beautiful egg sandwiches. To finish, sprinkle some pepper on the cross section. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Look at how fruity these egg sandwiches are. The gentle, melt in your mouth flavor is simply amazing. It's addictively good. When you come to Japan, be sure to stop by the convenience store and try an egg sandwich. But since you can easily make it at home, give it a try and experience the ultimate Japanese egg sandwich. Enjoy! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!